Ní raibh idir Muineachán agus Champíní chonat Roscommon agus na fórna a chlí a gíd a mouta hain ach aon chulí na bháin. Mar sin níor bheannach tug na fág nar thugdraigear chéile mouta dóbíd an Craobh Peile nua. Má darmad donacha a thoman trátrachta.
Muineachán teachta ríis an dearg bhí áir an teachta caite ná bhío. Pasra Elos connacht. Stephen Mooney a bula cechuid sin áling ag Stephen Mooney. Go mána teach go tréan an teach is ríis. Pasra go Dara Craig ag ghlachar is a gólinn. Tá chantach go ríis. Dara Craig a casa, Dara Craig lenny kittóg. Jack McCarran is Jack Tiva Mugan Stua by brought the rush to Montashi Shin. Idrun nach gúil tá agus tá. Andrew Woods. Woods is shot initial chance to score. Colin scoring Stephen Mooney. Ian Tucker Pod. Has scored a shot, but chance to score Ella. Tá Wachenta and Conor Carroll. Jack McCarran, Lenny hit though. Jack McCarran brought the rush to Ella. As she quick Colin Chun Keane. How touches to Roscommon, couple of score all go the Dermot Murta, Linger Fod, brought the rush to Bernaloide. Gary Regent, Michal Bannigan, as he fought to Michal, there's our Glehan or yes, as he's in Bulta go hauling again. Agus Hara Trast on a Jenny Conor McCarthy, Muineachán a Torrance Low. Like Jack McCarran and Rees, Jack and Tom Chull in the Yasog. And Rudders Anov, August score rolling Ella and Jack McCarran. Shillabach the force, August top. Muineachán brought shots and shot on Wood, so right back at this finish the score shot. Royce go make a throw shot. It's not to Rees, Bunner and Bulta. Muineachán and Dol Chun Keane, Roscommon, Craobh Peile.